1 in 6 people living with HIV are unaware of their infection. Would you ask the rain if it was infected, or rather let it drop in all its grace? Fact. HIV is not a death sentence. The letters will not soak you, nor drown you. It can only bathe you in education when you use it properly. Fact. AIDS is not a gay disease. We all beg for rainbows after the storm, yet get scared when they don't come out the colors we want them to. As a child, I loved the rain. Would wash my hair in it, jump in every puddle unapologetically. The word carefree lived in my smile. Fact. About 1 in 4 new infections are among youth ages 13 to 24. Well, I played in the rain with 3 of my childhood best friends, and I'm just trying to figure out which one of us is it. Which one of us left carefree and their smile at the home they once knew, and now no shame in their smirk because society sees them like ocean mixed with oil or malaria in their drinking water. Remember when you were a child? You played in the mud and never thought of its brown essence as dirty until your mother told you it was. Fact. Black/African Americans face the most severe burden of HIV. When your melatonin is already labeled as dirt, how do you live with 3 letters that fold on your back like the weight of the ocean resting on your shoulders? So see me, brown skin, but also 17 years old. Not a child, but not fully a woman yet either, and I'm still trying to figure out what this womanhood is all about. Some days, it's calm and drizzles. Others, it's like a tsunami in its highest rates. Fact. 1 in 4 people living with HIV in the U.S. are women. And here I am standing before you thinking menstrual cramps is the worst womanly experience any girl has ever known. Fact. Only about half of women who are diagnosed with HIV are in care, and even fewer have the virus under control. Can you imagine not being in control of your own body, like the ocean during a full moon, all big waves and loud roars? Can you imagine always being a big wave and a loud roar and a storm? Lightning is so powerful, the sound of it has its own identity, but even lightning yields to rain. Understand that rain thrives here. Water is so powerful it can kill, yet so crucial, most of our body is made up from it. People who are HIV positive are strong as a body of water. They know of being asked of their infections like their disease imperfections. They know that their time will come just like anyone else's. They know of rainbows, of shame in their smirk and carefree in their smile. They know of the dirt they've held and how simply this life is a cleansing phase. They know of days like drizzles, and they know of days like tsunamis. They know of being a loud roar in a small wave. Fact. More than 1.1 million people living in the U.S. are diagnosed with HIV. Next time it rains, count 1.1 million drops. It'll still be less exhausting than waking up every day to a society who are too scared to even shake your hand. The night I wrote this poem, it rained. I danced and sung in the droplets, remembering that rain is a blessing from God. And never once did I ask if the water was infected. So never ask if someone is infected. We are all drops of rain, all blessings of God. They too are drops of rain, a strong staple in our body of water. They too are all blessings of God. Thank you.